Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Trading Edge Unfiltered. I'm your host, and today we have a very special guest who's not just joining us. He's actually the one who built the system we're going to talk about. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the creator of 4xgoldenfisher, Hongguang Yin. Hongguang, thank you so much for being here. Let's jump right in. For anyone who doesn't know you yet, tell us, who are you and how did you end up building one of the smartest trading bots in the game?
Thanks for having me. I'm Hongguang Yin, a full-time forex and metals trader and the mind behind 4xgoldenfisher. I've been trading since 2004. That's over 21 years now. Back then, I was just like most of you, staring at charts for hours, getting chopped up by emotions, revenge trading after a bad loss, and watching what should have been a winning month turn into a nightmare because I couldn't stick to the plan. I tried everything: manual discretionary trading, simple EAs, martingale systems, you name it. The more I traded, the more I realized one painful truth. The market doesn't care about my feelings. The only edge that lasts is structure, discipline, and rock-solid risk management. That's why, after years of testing and failing, I decided to build my own system, 4xgoldenfisher. The goal was simple but ambitious. Create an expert advisor that trades like the disciplined version of me, but without the emotions, fatigue, or hesitation. And today, the V4 version you see on www.4xgoldenfisher.com is exactly that. So what makes 4xgoldenfisher different? First, it's not just another grid or martingale bot. It's a smart, adaptive hedging and scaling system that works especially beautifully on gold. Every trade is guided by high-probability signals sent directly from our server, and those signals are almost always placed at major weekly or monthly support and resistance levels. That alone gives the bot a huge edge. But here's where it gets really smart. Once in a trade, the bot doesn't just sit there. It has dynamic stop-loss logic that adjusts based on ATR and recent volatility. It constantly monitors the farthest losing positions and uses a special runaway loser closer combined with Fibonacci dominance rules to cut the bad ones before they destroy the account. When hedges get separated, it automatically switches to range order mode and manages them like a professional hedge fund trader. Profit management is just as sophisticated. It locks in partial profits at multiple targets, moves stops to break even intelligently, and even closes small losers automatically when they are fully covered by bigger winners. And the best part? You can set global equity caps, so the bot will automatically close everything and protect your gains the moment you hit your monthly target. I've designed it to be safe even on smaller accounts. With the recommended 0.01 base lot on a $20,000 account, the risk per trade stays tiny. Yet when gold starts trending, which it loves to do, the scaling logic lets the winners run hard while keeping drawdowns under control. We've tested it extensively on gold, and the results have been outstanding in both trending and ranging markets. Of course, past performance is never a guarantee, and every trader should use proper risk management. But the feedback from our users has been incredible. If you're tired of staring at charts 8 hours a day, if you want to trade gold with confidence instead of fear, and if you're ready for a system that was built by a real trader who's been in the trenches for over 2 decades, then head over to www.4xgoldenfisher.com right now. Download the latest version, check out the full documentation, and see exactly how it works. The site also has live signal examples and detailed setup guides so you can get started in under 10 minutes. Trading should be boring and profitable, not stressful and emotional. Let the bot do the heavy lifting while you focus on living your life. Stay disciplined, respect risk, and the market will eventually reward you. Thank you so much for having me today.
And that's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed this conversation with Hongguang Yin and want to see 4xgoldenfisher in action, drop a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Links to the website and the EA are in the description below. Until next time, trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next episode. Take care.